The Beginning Guide to Microsoft Word 2013. First Impressions. Another Computer Mama Guide. In our early lessons, we learned how to use all the pieces of Microsoft Word, how to format the text, how to work with pictures, how to make text boxes. Now I'd like to put them all together and create business stationery. First impressions matter. Many firms put a lot of money and effort into creating what's called their corporate stripe. This is also called the corporate brand. This lesson will use the tools we've learned in Microsoft Word. Watch how they use the text boxes to create this corporate stationery. I found that part interesting. There are several sample files that you can download if you wish. The ribbons that we're going to be focusing on are Insert and the drawing tools. So if you are ready, please start the program Microsoft Word and open a blank document. Hello, Word. Let's start with the text. Here's some sample text I'd like you to enter. Please type the name of the company, Charlotte's website, 123 Main Street, Brighton, Michigan 48116. So far, so good. The company name is supposed to stand out. Remember who you're buying from. So select the name Charlotte's website. Go to Home, Font, and choose Tahoma. Make it bigger, choose 18. Make it bold, click on B for bold. Select all of the type, the address and the name, and then go to Home, Paragraph, and then choose Center. Good. A logo is a key part of your name, especially if you're looking on mobile apps where everything is reduced to a small icon. Go to Insert, Illustrations, click on Pictures. You'll be asked to browse for where your pictures are. I save my downloads to the picture folder and I've selected one. Keep going. The picture is selected, so the picture tools are available. Go to Picture Tools, Format, Arrange, and click on Wrap Text. What do you see? There are several text wrapping options, including top and bottom, tight, and square. Please choose top and bottom. Let's format the picture size. Go to Picture Tools, Format, Size, and change the width to 2. Okay, you can add some style to this picture as well. Go to Picture Tools, Format, Styles, and choose an effect. I chose a shadow. On the screen you should see some sample text that I've added to this letter. You can add something similar if you wish. This would be a good time to save our work. Go to File, Save. For the file name, type Charlotte's letterhead and add your initials. That way you know that this is your copy of the letter and not mine. Now click on Save. We inserted a picture. Now let's insert the date and time. Go to Insert, Text, Date and Time. You will be prompted to select a format. I'm suggesting that you spell it out. Notice at the bottom before you click OK that there's a check mark that you can update automatically. Click OK. Insert a picture, insert the date and time. Now insert a text box. A text box is a very convenient way to add quotes, bling, and other marketing elements to your stationery. Here are the steps. Go to Insert, Text, Text Box. Choose Sidebar Right from the gallery. What do you see? There should be a new text box on the right side, a sidebar placed into your document. Where have you seen this before? Sometimes a sidebar is used to list the executives in a company. Sometimes a sidebar is used to show what our products are. Here is some sample text that I'm going to use and format for our stationery. After the sample text was typed in, I used bold to emphasize key words. Then I selected all of the type and went to Home, Paragraph, Center. This looks good. Keep going. You can add a picture to a sidebar as well. Place your cursor in front of the first letter. That's the insertion point. Go to Insert, Illustrations, Pictures. I chose one of the farm. The little farm picture is selected. I'd like to format this for size and style. Go to Picture Tools, Format, Picture Styles. And I've changed the width. Picture Tools, Format, Size. A little more formatting. Click on the text box to select it and go to Design, Document Formatting. Click on Color. Slide down and choose Orange-Red. What do you see? The colors of the text and the shape in the text box have been updated. The warm colors match the image that I chose for this document: warm, orange, and red. Stating the obvious, but there seems to be ribbons all over the place depending on what you clicked on. Right now on my screen I have drawing tools as well as picture tools. Click on the picture of the alien squash and go to Picture Tools, Format, Arrange, Position. There are several layouts that are already built in. I'm choosing the one in the bottom right corner. What do you see? The picture should be placed in the bottom right corner. You can see the entire page this way. Go to View, Zoom, One Page. That'll work. Save, save, save. The last part is kind of fun. You can link the two text boxes together if you wish. Go to File, New, and give me a blank document. Now, insert text box. From the templates, choose Simple Text Box. Where your cursor is flashing, type Ripe Red Tomatoes. You can edit the font in the text box just as you would in Microsoft Word, so I selected the type and made it big, bold, and red. Try this. We can rotate the text direction. The text box is selected, so the drawing tools are available. Go to Drawing Tools, Format, Text, and click on Text Direction. I chose Rotate All Text 270. What do you see? The text and the text inside it are rotated. Can you send it back? Go back to Text Direction and click on Horizontal. It's back. The next example is linked text boxes. Linked text boxes are used to connect two text boxes together. Say you have a lot of information in the first text box on page 1. You could link it to a second text box on page 3 in your newsletter if you wish. Yep, that's how they do it. On the screen you should see that I've entered several paragraphs of sample text. Memo to self: you need enough text to see how this works. And I formatted some of the words to stand out. Click outside the text box so it's no longer selected. Go back to Insert Text Box and click on Simple Text Box again. What do you see? There should be a new text box above the other one that you made. Before you can go further, you need to select all the sample words in that second text box and delete it. Here are the steps to link the two text boxes. Click on the first text box that has the ripe red tomatoes. Go to Drawing Tools, Format, Create Link. When you click on Create Link, you're going to have a different shape following your mouse. Bring your mouse down to the second empty text box. What do you see? My mouse looks like it has a measuring cup that's going to pour out the text into the second box. Click on the second text box. That looks like it worked. Okay, done and done. Linked text boxes are an important part of the publishing industry. I'm going to close this document. You don't have to save it. It was just practice. I think we done good. We made a corporate letter that has our colors, our stationery, and logo. First impressions do count, and I'm glad we took the time to make the effort. You get the cookie. This is the Computer Mama, and thank you for coming.